Alright, so I prepared some soup because I have two people in my house, my teenagers, who are hard-headed. They do what I tell them to do, but every now and then they think they know everything. So here they are battling something. Both of them have sore throats. I'm going to be quarantining us and myself over the next 14 days. I'm pretty sure this shit is gonna knock out whatever the hell is going on. I've also prepared a smoothie this morning with strawberries, kale, sea moss, peanut butter because that's what they like, goji berries, flax seeds. What else I put in there? Oh, cranberries.